think it's time we do some more fire alarm testing. But it's going to be unlike anything you've pretty much ever seen before on this channel specifically, and that's because if I go up over here a little bit, as you can see, I have put my system sensor P1224MC on the wall, and if I follow these wires down here, and I also got the MSIS20B on the wall, and here's how I have to power it. Anyway, I got my screwdriver here. Let's go ahead. By the way, this is set to, it's maybe hard to see, but it's set on 30 candela. So let's pull the fire alarm. Turn your volume down. Hang on. Hang on, this is tricky. Hang on. There we go. I got it. Okay. So yeah, there's just a quick little fire alarm testing right there. There's my smoke alarm. So yeah, let's do that again, but let's do this again, but now I'm gonna stand back. Reset the station. Alright, and there we go. Quick little fire alarm testing of my temporary setup. It's gonna be like this until I get a panel. So yeah, we'll see y'all whenever, I guess.